If you want to build a strong core, it's time to stop doing endless crunches and try one of the best tools out there. It's simple, compact, and very effective. AV rollers have been around for years because they work, but not all AV rollers are the same. On Amazon, you'll find many options from high-tech rollers with rebound features to full kits with knee pads and elbow support. In this video, we'll show you the top 15 AV rollers on Amazon to help you sculpt your ABS at home. You'll find links to each one in the description, so if you see one you like, check it out after the video. 1. Perfect Fitness Carver Roller. First up, we have the legendary Perfect Fitness Carver Roller. It's one of the most popular and trusted rollers on the market for a reason. With an internal carbon steel spring that adds resistance as you roll out and assistance on the way back, it makes every rep controlled and intense. The ergonomic handles and wide base provide excellent stability, making it perfect for beginners and pros alike. The angled handles are designed to activate more muscles and reduce strain on your wrists, giving you a safer and more efficient workout. Whether you're focused on building strength, improving balance, or enhancing core definition, this roller delivers consistent results. It's a go-to choice for anyone serious about leveling up their home fitness routine. 2. Moose Fitness Roller. Next is the Moose Fitness Roller, a sleek, no-nonsense option built with dual wheels for added balance and rubberized grip for smooth gliding. It's lightweight yet durable, and its foam handles provide comfort even during long sets. Great for home workouts, it targets not just your abdominal muscles but also shoulders and arms. This is a solid choice for both beginners and experienced users who want a simple but effective core workout. The double wheel design helps keep you steady, so you can focus on good form and smooth motion. It's easy to use, store, and carry, making it perfect for small spaces or travel. With this roller, you can build strength and stability without needing a full gym setup. 3. Bin Square Roller Wheel. Designed for durability and balance, this roller has a non-slip rubber wheel and strong stainless steel shaft. It's ideal for those who want to focus on core definition without sacrificing safety and support. It's also compact enough to travel with, making it a favorite for fitness enthusiasts on the go. It helps improve posture and overall stability by engaging not just your abdominal muscles but also your shoulders, back, and arms during each rollout. Its smooth, quiet operation makes it suitable for any space, whether you're working out at home or in a shared environment. Plus, the ergonomic design reduces strain on your wrists, allowing for longer, more effective sessions. 4. New Automatic Rebound Roller Wheel with Elbow Support. One of the more advanced options on the list is the new Automatic Rebound Roller Wheel with Elbow Support. This roller features a built-in rebound mechanism to help ease the return motion, making it great for anyone working on their form or easing into more difficult core work. The added elbow supports reduce wrist strain and help maintain proper posture throughout each rep. This roller is perfect for beginners or anyone recovering from injury, as it adds an extra layer of control and comfort to your workouts. The rebound system helps you stay stable and avoid overextending, while the elbow rests keep your arms in the right position. It's designed to make AV training easier, safer, and more effective, all while giving you a deep core burn. If you want extra support without losing intensity, this is a smart pick. 5. Sparthos Back Brace for Lower Back Pain. While not a roller, the Sparthos Back Brace for lower back pain deserves a spot here for its essential support role. If you're engaging in intense abdominal muscle work, protecting your lower back is crucial. This brace stabilizes your spine, reduces discomfort, and gives you the confidence to push your core workouts further without risking injury. 6. WOTA Elbow Support Automatic Rebound Abdominal Wheel. Continuing with smart designs, the WOTA Elbow Support Automatic Rebound Abdominal Wheel takes ergonomics seriously. The rebound technology helps guide you back with control, while the elbow supports ensure your upper body stays aligned. This roller is excellent for both beginners and experienced users who want to protect their form while going deep into each roll. 7. New 4-Wheel Abdominal Roller with Elbow Support. The new 4-wheel abdominal roller with elbow support brings added stability and surface grip. With its 4-wheel design, it's a great option for people who struggle with balance during rollouts. The elbow pads offer extra comfort, especially for those doing extended sessions or returning from injury. 8. Wonder Core Slide Fit. for something a bit different, check out the Wonder Core Slide Fit, an abdominal roller board with 4 wheels. Unlike traditional rollers, this platform glides side to side and front to back, allowing for more dynamic core engagement. It targets obliques, abdominal muscles, and even shoulders, all while keeping movement smooth and controlled. 9. New roller wheel with knee mat. If you're looking for a complete set, the new roller wheel with knee mat is a solid pick for both women and men. It comes with a soft knee pad to protect your joints and provides just the right amount of resistance without being intimidating. Great for building strength safely at home. 10. Body Rhythm Abdominal and Core Coaster Strength Workout Trainer. The Body Rhythm Abdominal and Core Coaster Strength Workout Trainer offers a different kind of motion. A guided coaster track that allows for diagonal, circular, and straight-line abdominal training. It's low impact, stable, and excellent for users who want to focus on precision and controlled form. 11. Vinskvirov Roller Wheel. Back again is the Vinskvirov Roller Wheel, a testament to its popularity and design quality. This version may feature slight variations in grip and materials, but it maintains the brand's commitment to stability, performance, and joint-friendly movement. 12. 5-in-1 Foam Roller Set. Every core routine should also consider recovery, and the 5-in-1 foam roller set is perfect for that. While not a traditional abdominal roller, it includes tools for deep tissue massage, muscle release, and post-workout care critical for anyone doing regular abdominal training. 13. Core Twister Board. Switching gears slightly, the Core Twister Board provides a fun and effective way to work your core, obliques, and glutes. You stand on the disc and twist side to side, which engages your midsection in a different way than rolling. It's beginner-friendly and great for warming up or adding variety to your routine. 14. Iris Fly 4-Wheel Abdominal Roller. One of the most eye-catching on the list is the Iris Fly 4-Wheel Abdominal Roller. Built for stability and performance, this roller supports high-intensity training with a wide base, premium grip, and a sleek, modern look. If aesthetics matter to you as much as function, this one won't disappoint. 15. Sepinali Abdominal Muscle Stimulator. Rounding out the list is the Sepinali Abdominal Muscle Stimulator. While it's not an abdominal roller, this high-tech muscle stimulator uses electronic pulses to target and contract abdominal muscles. It's a passive way to complement your active workouts and ideal for recovery days or multitasking. As you can see, building a strong core doesn't require endless sit-ups or expensive gym memberships. With these 15 top-rated abdominal rollers and core-enhancing accessories from Amazon, you can strengthen your ABS, improve stability, and level up your fitness right at home. We've included direct links to every product in the description for your convenience. If any of these stood out, or if you've used one yourself, let us know in the comments. Your experience might help someone else. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss a drop, and tell us in the comments what fitness gear you'd love us to review next.